Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create ocean ripples pattern using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So here NumPy is used for numerical operations, especially arrays and math functions, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting graphs, and Access3D enables 3D plotting within matplotlib. And now we'll create the 3D figure and axis for this plot. So here this initializes a new figure with the size of 10 into 7 inches. And this adds a 3D subplot, which means one row, one column and one plot to the figure. And now we'll generate a grid for x and y coordinates. So here np.linspace creates 200 evenly spaced values between -10 and +10, and np.meshgrid creates the 1D array into 2D coordinate grids for x and y used for surface plotting. And now we'll define the ocean ripple pattern. It means the z values. So here r is equals to np.sqrt. This computes the radial distance from the origin like a circular ripple, and z is equals to np.sin r divided by r. This defines a ripple pattern based on the sinc function, which gives a sine wave like structure. And z r is equals to 0 is equals to 1. This handles the case where r is equals to 0 to avoid division by 0, since sin 0 by 0 is undefined but limit is equals to 1. And now we'll plot the surface. So here this plot surface creates a 3D surface based on x, y and z values, and CMap is equals to ocean. This applies a bluish color map to simulate water, and edge color is none, which removes grid lines for a smooth surface look. And now we'll add title and axis labels to the plot. So here ax.setTitle sets a suitable title to the plot with font size 16, and ax.setXlabel, ylabel and zlabel sets the label for the described axis. And now we'll add a color bar. So this adds a color scale to the side of the plot to show what values each color represent, and shrink and aspect control its size and proportions. And at last we'll display the plot. So here this plt.title this adjusts layout to avoid overlap, and plt.show displays the final plot. So here we can see ocean ripple pattern using Python. So thanks for watching this video.